Bobo Sobo, play and learn.
Let's learn about animal uses. The bee gives us sweet honey. The camel carries things in the desert.
The cat catches rats and mice. Cows give us fresh milk. Milk is healthy and good for us.
The ox helps farmers plow the field.
The dog guards our house. The goat gives us milk and healthy food. The hen gives us eggs.
The donkey helps carry heavy loads.
The duck gives us eggs and food. The elephant helps carry heavy logs in the forest. The silkworm gives us silk for clothes.
The horse helps us ride and pull carts.
The sheep gives us soft wool. The yak gives us milk and warm wool.
See you next time on Bobo Sobo Play and Learn.